70 of my net worth is in crypto. Anyone else? Hey friends, was curious if you think this is a good idea or a bad idea? Would love to hear your thoughts or suggestions, or if you do something similar. I'm 27, so I figured I can withstand the risk of the crypto asset class. I'd love to DCA more, but my income is strictly commission based, so it's hard to buy more in this tight economy currently. I'm planning on crypto being my ticket in the future, aka get rich or die trying lol. Here's the breakdown. 70 in crypto. 52 BTC, 35 ETH, 10 Link, 3 other alts. 15 in liquid cash for mortgage and bills etc. 15 in stocks. IVV, ING, GBTC. Got in November 2017 bull run and got wrecked. Learned from my lesson to just hodl. I wish I took profits this past bull run and rebought, but I didn't. Do you guys plan on taking profits and rebuying this next bull run, or just hodl and forget about it? I'm so torn between the decision lol. I could have done well in past bull run if I just took profits and rebought, but I got greedy and held, watching those 4x portfolio gains disappear. Basically sitting slightly in green at the moment. What's a good strategy to implement for next bull run? Any thoughts would be appreciated. I won't lie, I literally got like 95 in crypto RN. I am way over invested. I should probably stop following the degen way of market lol. If you got wrecked in 2017, I don't think the lesson to take from that is put the majority of money back into crypto. 60-40 for me, got to leave money that can be easily accessed in case of emergency. Amateur. 95 crypto, 5 fiat to buy the dip. Everyone wishes they had done different. If you sold at near top and bought at near low, you'd still be saying wish you could have sold higher and bought lower. Don't invest too much in crypto because nothing ever goes as planned in this crypto. Yolmfers are crazy lol. They say that you can afford more risk when you're young. Just keep in mind that losing money when you're young also propagates forward for anything with compound interest. If I had it to do over again, I'd have bought a home at a low interest rate as soon as possible. It's incredible how much more or investment income you have when you don't pay rent. 90 of my net worth is in crypto. I'm 28. It went to 70 during the peak of the last bull. Then now it's down to maybe 20 for me. GIF A7C3 Lopage 8Q. 5 crypto here. About 5 of my net worth. Some of you people that are 70 to 90 are just crazy. I would not be sleeping one single night if all my money was in such a risky asset. I don't get how you don't realize crypto and bull runs are just like playing musical chairs, except you were too slow both times. Just holding BTC and ETH over and all. This is an absolute disaster waiting to happen, FYI. Attracting scammers, 101. I think you're a manic for putting 70% of your capital in a such speculative asset. Not to judge, I've done it. You should never put all your eggs in one basket. I think 30 in crypto is a great number, to each their own. I'm all in. Fuck it. Money is replaceable, opportunities not always. Percentages don't mean much without raw numbers and annual spend or earnings. If you have $100 in savings at 50k annual income, put it all in whatever you want, it doesn't matter. If you have $500,000 in savings and a 50k annual income, you'd be insane to put it all in crypto. You've already won the game, so there's no need to take such an aggressive risk profile. I have maybe 2 of my net worth in crypto. If 15 covers your mortgage and bills, you are pretty well off. I assume you are making more than a lot of people here. All in. Are you talking about actual net worth or just the investments? Don't you have an emergency fund? If you don't, you should build one. Not that much, it would stress me out. Fair play to those that can do it, though. I'd say more like 10. I'm 700 in crypto with my potato. You kids don't seem to understand how not to play this game. 7.5 crypto, 5 cash, 87 equities, retirement accounts, real estate, etc. I set the goal not to exceed 8, and I'm sticking to it. If you are young, then it is fine. You can afford to take more risk than someone in their 40s who has a family and saving up for a college fund for their kids, or someone in their 50s who is building up their retirement fund. Look dude, I lost 20 BTC and 60th to 4 bankrupt exchanges. FTX was the majority loser. My net worth was close to $2 million at peak. 1/3 in a home, 1/3 in crypto, 1/3 in stocks. GBTC is essentially a shitty, more expensive version of BTC with a fee, so I diversify out from there. If it's $20,000, that is one thing, but if it's hundreds of $K, take the tax hit for safety. Check out Invest Answers on YouTube. Don't invest too much in a risk-on asset like crypto emo. For me, 90 of my net worth is in my house. You can live in it and it increases in value over time. Since I denominate everything I own in Bitcoin and Sats, 100 of my net worth is in crypto. Mine is mostly savings. Crypto is between 5 and 10. Fiat 1-2 monthly spending required for bills. ETF stocks 20-30 SPY blue chips, crypto 70-80 BTC 75 ETH 15 alts 10. I have conviction in my assets, and I am comfortable with this higher risk portfolio. I try to spread my investments in multiple markets. So for me it's slower, winking face. Nope, around 10-15. I'm a big believer in crypto, but it's still such a speculative asset class. Is $GBTC really just a stock to you? You guys have worth? Percentage is subjective depending on the dollar amount. I'm 30 crypto and I keep 1 year's worth of expenses as my emergency fund. Last thing I wanna do is sell my crypto prematurely if I lost employment. The best way to invest is to evenly spread your funds across different asset class. That way, you won't totally be wrecked if something happens. Most of my net worth is in property. I've seen people say they are going to sell this go round. Me, I'm holding again, and the reason why is the market is different this go round. Big players are in, and when they buy they rarely lose money. Who's to say a 80-90 crash will happen again to buy back? How often do stocks of that move in? 26 and 100 in crypto, 90 in BTC. I sold my car and shares of my REITs to pour all into BTC at 18-20k. I am a happy man. Never selling. 70 of my net worth, $50. All in crypto. I'm 21 and have about 82 in crypto, 15 in the bank, and 3 in stocks. I've been figuring I'm young enough to handle the risk, similar to you. I also have my 401k, but I'm not counting that in this. I'm pretty poor, but crypto is like 25 of my net worth. Wish I could afford more. If it was 70 net worth in shitcoins, then that would be something. You have a solid portfolio that will do very well. 100 here, not joking. And it's about 30k, I'm all in at 20. I either go broke and start over because I'm still young, or this plays off really well. That's way too high for me. I have around 20 in crypto. The rest is in stocks. 70 in crypto is a little too ballsy for me. I commend your bravery and hope it works out well for you. Hell no. It's a shame that it's come for us youngsters to resort only way to afford to buy a house is crypto, when back in our parents' time a single person working can look after the family with a roof over their heads. That's probably too much of your NW to put in assets that have no viable value case. 100 EK. Chainlink is a great project, but 10 of your total net worth in 1 alts is annually risky. I'm all in too. The way I see it is try to make life-changing money or lose like 3 years of investment income. Well, it ain't like it's going to zero either. So best case I can retire, worst is I lose a few years of investing.